A hairstylist in Paris told me that most women over 60 are wearing the wrong haircut for their face, and it's aging them by at least 10 years. She showed me 5 specific cuts that wealthy European women request because they create an instant lift witut surgery, make thin hair look thick, and scream expensive even when you get them at a regular salon. Number 3 is the one celebrities are secretly getting, and I'm showing you exactly how to ask for it. Welcome to Glow at Every Age, where looking fabulous doesn't require a celebrity budget. If you're new here, you've found the place where we prove that style and elegance get better with age. To my wonderful returning viewers, it's so good to see you again. Let's talk about haircuts that make you look rich, polished, and years younger. Before we start, please hit that like button so more women discover these game-changing haircuts. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now and turn on notifications because we drop valuable content like this every week. You'll want to catch every upload. Now let's get into these 5 rejuvenating cuts. Haircut 1. The modern French bob. The French bob hits right at the jawline or just slightly below. It has a slight angle where the front pieces are about half an inch longer than the back. The key detail that makes it modern is the texture. It's not blunt and heavy like old-school bobs. Instead, it has soft, subtle layers throughout that create movement. Why this works so beautifully after 60. The jawline length cut draws attention to your bone structure and creates a lifting effect around your face. It frames your features in the most flattering way possible. The slight angle elongates your neck, which is incredibly elegant. This cut also solves the thinning hair problem. Because the hair is all one general length without long straggly pieces, it looks fuller and healthier. The soft layers add volume without making the hair look choppy. Who this works for? Women with oval, heart-shaped, or square faces. If you have fine to medium hair texture, this is perfect. It also works beautifully whether your hair is straight or has a slight wave. How to ask for it. Tell your stylist you want a French bob that sits at the jawline with a very subtle forward angle. Request soft interior layers for movement, not blunt ends. Say you want texture and body, not a heavy helmet look. This cut air dries beautifully, which means less styling time. You can smooth it sleek for formal occasions or tousle it for casual chic. It's incredibly versatile and always looks expensive. Haircut 2. The textured pixie. This isn't your grandmother's pixie. The modern textured pixie has longer pieces on top, about 2 to 3 inches, with shorter tapered sides and back. The magic is in the texturizing. The top is cut with point cutting techniques that create piecey, separated strands instead of a solid mass. Why this is so rejuvenating. Short hair automatically lifts your features and draws attention to your eyes and cheekbones. When hair is cropped close, it takes weight off your face literally and visually. The textured top adds height, which elongates your overall look. This cut is also incredibly low maintenance. You wake up, run some product through it, and you're done. For women dealing with thinning hair, the short length makes whatever hair you have look fuller and more vibrant. Who this works for? Women with strong bone structure, including high cheekbones or defined jawlines. It's stunning on oval and heart-shaped faces. This works for all hair textures including curly. In fact, natural texture makes this cut even better. How to ask for it. Request a pixie with length on top, at least 2 to 3 inches. Specify that you want the sides and back tapered but not buzzed. This is crucial. Ask for heavy texturizing on top using point cutting or razor techniques. Show reference photos of textured pixies, not smooth ones. Style this with a lightweight pomade or texture paste. The piecey, slightly messy look is what makes it modern and expensive looking. Overly neat pixies can look dated. Haircut 3. The long layered lob. A lob is a long bob that falls between the collarbone and shoulders. The long layered version has face framing layers starting around the chin and longer layers throughout the rest of the hair. The ends are left slightly textured, never blunt. Why this is the most universally flattering cut. The length is feminine and elegant without being high maintenance. The layers remove weight, which helps thin hair look fuller and thick hair look lighter. The face framing pieces act like built-in contouring, softening your jawline and highlighting your cheekbones. This cut also gives you styling options. You can wear it straight and sleek, add loose waves, pull it into a low bun, or tuck it behind your ears. Every variation looks polished. The reason celebrities love this cut is that it photographs beautifully from every angle and always looks intentional, never messy or unkempt. Who this works for? Literally everyone. This is the most versatile cut on this list. All face shapes, all hair textures. If you're unsure what to get, start here. How to ask for it. Request a lob that hits between your collarbone and shoulders. Ask for long layers throughout, starting with face framing pieces at chin length. Specify that you want the ends softly textured, not blunt or choppy. Mention that you want movement in body without losing the overall length. The key to making this look expensive is the styling. Loose, effortless waves or a smooth blowout both work. Avoid tight curls or overly flat styles. Quick pause before we get to the last two cuts. If you're loving these haircut ideas, show some love by hitting that like button. And please drop a comment telling me which cut you're considering, or if you've already tried one of these. I genuinely read every comment, and they help me create more content you actually want to see. Also, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. Now let's talk about cuts 4 and 5. Haircut 4. The stacked bob with volume. A stacked bob is shorter in the back and gradually longer toward the front. The back is cut in graduated layers that create a rounded, stacked shape with lots of volume at the crown. The front pieces frame your face and can be customized to your preference. Why this is so rejuvenating? The volume at the crown lifts your entire look. As we age, hair tends to lose volume, especially at the roots. This cut builds volume into the structure itself, so you're not fighting your hair every day. The stacked back also creates the appearance of a longer, more elegant neck. The forward angle draws eyes to your face and creates beautiful proportions. This cut makes you look polished and put together even on lazy hair days. Who this works for? Women with round, oval, or heart-shaped faces. This is especially good if you have fine or medium hair that tends to fall flat. If you want volume without a lot of styling effort, this is your cut. How to ask for it. Request a stacked bob with the back shorter and graduated layers for volume. Specify that you want the front longer, hitting somewhere between chin and shoulder length depending on your preference. Ask for the stack to be rounded, not angular or choppy. Be clear that you want volume and lift at the crown. Some stylists will stack it but keep it flat, which defeats the purpose. Style this with a round brush while blow drying to enhance the volume. Or use a volumizing mousse and let it air dry. The structure does most of the work for you. Haircut 5. The shaggy layers. Shaggy layers are all about texture and movement. The hair is cut in varying lengths throughout, creating lots of soft blended layers. There's usually a fringe or bangs, either side swept or curtain bangs that frame your face. The overall effect is tousled, lived in, and totally modern. Why this works beautifully? The layers create incredible volume and movement. For thinning hair, this is transformative because the different lengths make your hair look thicker. The textured, piecey look is very forgiving and hides any imperfections. The bangs or fringe are key. They soften your forehead, hide fine lines, and draw attention to your eyes. Side-swept bangs are universally flattering and easy to grow out if you change your mind. This cut channels a rock and roll, bohemian elegance that feels current and cool. It's the opposite of stiff or matronly. Who this works for? Women with oval, heart, or oblong face shapes. This works beautifully with wavy or straight hair. If you have naturally wavy hair, this cut will make you look like you have a professional stylist on call. How to ask for it. Request shaggy layers throughout with varying lengths. Ask for either curtain bangs or side-swept bangs depending on your preference. Specify that you want texture and movement, not uniform layers. Use words like piecey, tousled, and lived in. Show photos because shaggy means different things to different stylists. You want modern shag, not 80s shag. Style this with a texturizing spray or sea salt spray. Scrunch it while damp and let it air dry, or use a diffuser for more definition. The beauty is that it's supposed to look a little messy, so imperfection is the goal. Now that you know the 5 cuts, let me give you quick tips to make any of these look even more expensive. First, invest in a good cut, not a good color. You can touch up color at home or space out salon visits, but a bad cut is obvious immediately. Find a stylist who specializes in cutting, show them clear photos, and be willing to pay a bit more for skill. Second, maintain the shape. These cuts work because of their structure. Get trims every 6 to 8 weeks to keep the shape intact. Grown-out versions lose the magic. Third, embrace your natural texture. All of these cuts work with your hair's natural movement, not against it. Stop fighting your hair and work with what you have. Fourth, use the right products. Lightweight volumizing mousse for fine hair, smoothing cream for frizz, texturizing spray for movement. Quality products make a massive difference in how your cut looks daily. Finally, confidence makes everything look better. Wear your hair with pride. When you feel good about your cut, it shows, and that's the most attractive thing of all. There you have it, 5 rejuvenating haircuts that make you look rich, polished, and elegant at 60 and beyond. The modern French bob, the textured pixie, the long layered lob, the stacked bob with volume, and shaggy layers. Each one is designed to flatter mature beauty and work with your lifestyle. If this video helped you, please hit that like button one more time. Subscribe to Glow at Every Age if you haven't already, because we're doing this every single week. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Drop a comment and tell me which haircut you're most excited to try, or share a photo of your current style. I love seeing your transformations and hearing your stories. Remember, your hair is your crown. Wear it with confidence. You deserve to look and feel absolutely incredible. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, keep glowing at every age.